Hey there my friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song and we'll do all the guitar parts and the strumming patterns. So let's get into it. So for our intro, we're just starting on an E chord and nearly the whole strumming pattern is just going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So E for a bar, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now on the next bar, we're going to start with an E sus4, it's just going to be on the 1. Then we go back to the E and 2 and 3 and 4 and stay on the E for the next bar and we'll do 1 and 2 and then on the 3 go to the E sus4 again, 3, then we're going back to the E, finish off the bar and 4 and just another bar of E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so let's do that slowly, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're starting on the E, 1 bar with our down ups. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and to an E major 7, the same for a bar. 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to an E6, so just play your E chord, add your little finger on the 2nd fret on the B string, and we're doing a bar and a half here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and then go back to the E to finish off the bar, 3 and 4 and then we're coming up to a G sharp bar chord, 1 bar, 2 and 3 and 4 and C sharp minor for a bar, 2 and 3 and 4 and F sharp 7 for a bar, 2 and 4 and then we're going to a B and this time will be 1 and 2 and on the 3 go to the B7, 3, back to the B and 4 and 1 and hold for a bar there. And that's our verse. So for our chorus, we're starting on an E major 7 and we're doing 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and then an F sharp minor 7 this time, 2 bars. 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go to the A for half a bar. 1 and 2 and to a B7 for half a bar. 4 and do that again, the A to the B7. B7. Then we're going to an A over F sharp, so you can use your thumb on the top string 2nd fret, half a bar. To the B7 again, half a bar. Then we're going to E and we'll do a down, up, and then we're going to double that. Then we're repeating that all again, your E major 7. F sharp minor 7, 2 bars. From our A to our B7, B7, A again, back to the B7, to our A over F sharp, to our B7. This time our E is going to be similar to our intro. We're going to do a full bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the 1 for the next bar we're going to do the E sus4, then back to the E and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our first chorus. From there we just go back to the verse and that's exactly the same. So for our last chorus we're just doing the first chorus up to the E and repeating that 3 times. So we have the E major 7, 2 bars, the F sharp minor 7 for 2 bars, our A to B7, B7, A, B7, A over F sharp, B7, and our E with our double. Do that 3 times and then we just play the next line of the course back to the E major 7 for 2 bars, F sharp minor 7, 2, our A, B7, A, B7, A over F sharp, B7, and then our last E we're doing the same as the intro. So our 1 bar on the E, then 2 and 3 and 4, and to the E sus4 for 1, back to the E, and 2 and 3 and 4, and start on the E, 1 and 2, and on the 3, E sus4, back to the E, and 4, and just finish on the E there. And they're all the parts to the song. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed How Could You Mend a Broken Heart Guitar Lesson by the Bee Gees. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.